how you doing today? Today I am going to unbox the Roborock H7 cordless stick vacuum. As most of you know, if you've seen this channel, I'm a big fan of Roborock. This will be the first stick vacuum I have tested of theirs, and this is their flagship model. It's currently $425 on Amazon, and that's on sale right now. It's normally $500. This has a lot of stuff going for it. I've always used Dysons in the past, but after I do all my tests, I'm hoping that I will be saying I recommend this more than my Dysons, which will be tough to say, but it might just happen because this has a lot of things going for it, like I said. A couple things that I see on here that are very, very cool that I haven't really seen on any of these vacuums is a magnetic storage system. That just makes life a little bit easier if something as simple as a magnet. So the biggest thing for this is the dust bag support. It's the first stick vac that I've seen that uses a dust bag. So I'll show you that whenever I do the testing of this robot. But you can put a dust bag in the canister and then simply remove the bag and throw it away, and you won't be dealing with any dust or debris, especially if you're allergic to anything. This would be great for pets, pet hair. As most of you know, if you have pets, that hair tends to stink. And this has a 5-layer filtration system, including a HEPA filter, so it's going to keep all of that stink inside of the unit and dust bag. And we'll put that through the test as well. It does have a very long battery at 90 minutes. That is on normal suction mode. Maximum power mode, it does not state, so I will put that through the test and see how long it actually lasts on maximum suction. I really want to test out this dust bag. That's probably my most exciting part for this vacuum. Let me know in the comments if that's something that matters to you or not. Personally, I hate emptying these, especially in my trash over there, because you drop it in, dust kind of shoots up in the air, and every time you open it to throw away more trash, dust kind of pops out and you can see the dust. It's just a mess. I don't like it. So if these bags are easy to use and work as advertised, that's going to be a big deal to me. So let's go ahead and crack this open. We'll see exactly what you get, and I will let you know my thoughts. Alright, nicely packaged. Right on the top you have your mounting screws for the mount. You have your Roborock documentation, the manual, and there's something flopping around in here. Nope, just the manuals. Nice little package they give you. Usually you just have the manuals thrown on top. Here is the baton. So if someone gets out of hand. Oh no, this is a stick vac part that extends down to the floor, obviously. That was a terrible joke, and I apologize. Here's a soft dusting brush. Here is a crevice tool. Here is the flex extension. Makes it much easier to maneuver. Definitely makes it easier to clean hard to reach spaces. Ooh, that is a hefty dock. I have not seen one this large. Very cool. I'll show you the magnetic technology, if you will. And as you can see here, when you set the vacuum on here, it will be charging, so that's always good. Feels like good build quality, nice and thick plastic. This is nice and heavy duty. Alright, on to the rest of it. So this is a dust bag holder that you're going to put into the bin itself. This is what's obviously going to hold the dust bag. And then you just empty it from here, which I will show you in a future video. Here are the dust bags. Here's the dust bags. You do get 2 of them. Kind of small overall, but the canister itself is pretty small, and I'm sure this is going to pack in a ton of debris. There's even a little window there that'll show you how much debris is on there. That's pretty cool. But I'll be putting this through the test. We'll see how much stuff we can jam pack in there. And then when you're done, When you're done with the clean, you can pull this back and it's going to seal the bag, and now really nothing at all is going to get out of here, which is really nice. Here you have the power cord for the dock. Here is the main brush head. Good size wheels, should be pretty easy to move along the carpet. I'll let you know when I do the review. Here is a mini electric tool. This is good for cleaning your stairs or upholstery on like couches and chairs. Here's the main unit. Looks like a good sized battery. Got some pretty good weight to it, so that kind of tells you the battery's big, and then usually also means that it's got a good powerful suction motor. I have tested some cheaper variations of stick vacuums, and the ones that are super light, you can right away tell they're just not going to be very good. Little LCD display here, which I'll try to show you. It's going to show the time left and then your suction mode. It does have a little button here as well. So you can hold on the button, click that, and it's going to stay on, so you don't have to continuously hold the button to get it to keep cleaning, which is nice. And this button on the back here is what you push to increase the suction. So very cool. I think this is going to be a really good stick vac. Please do me a favor, if you thought this video was helpful at all, please like the video and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I will do thorough testing with this and give you my results in the end. Next video I'll have this hanging up charging. I'll show you how good the magnets work and how easy it is to store, and then we'll do some full testing on it. Let me know in the comments what exactly you would like to see, and I'll try to make that happen for you. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.